Chioma and Davido celebrates their twins 1 year birthday. Okay, guys, Davido and Chioma just took to their official Instagram pages to reveal that today made 1 year they gave birth to their beautiful twins, and they were all smiles as they celebrated their new bundle of joy. Davido and Chioma went through a very difficult time when they lost their son Ifeanyi Adeleke, but God blessed them again, not just with one but two, and today just made them officially 1 year in this new world. And Davido was all smile. He posted in his official Instagram page thanking God for life. Chioma and Davido, when they gave birth, they saw themselves. We saw the video of them coming out from the hospital as they celebrated this beautiful. All the whole Adeleke family was present, and it was a beautiful, beautiful moment. Everybody was super happy for them. Imagine after everything they went through, but God bless them, and they are super happy. It's always beautiful seeing Chioma smiling after everything they went through, but God bless them with a beautiful, not just one but two. Congratulations to them and happy birthday to Davido's twins. Okay, guys, drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, and wish them happy birthday. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Of course. Yeah, over it. Of course. Yeah, over it.
Daddy, Grandpa is the photographer. Hello Atlanta, hello world. We're having our first car ride in Grandpa's. Our first ride is a Bentley. Hello. Oh yeah, come on in.